Welcome everybody to this series where we're looking at the nature of music. This time we'll look at the Israeli national anthem of Hatikvah, a beautiful song. So we start off like this. That's a question. And that's an answer. Then you have the second part. Another question. The same question repeated without resolution. Then and here you came home. But just to affirm it, it has a repeat. You have a repeat of the return at home to give you an extra feeling of coming home, which is probably very suited to the song Hatikvah, which stresses the Jewish people's return to their homeland. I hope you enjoyed.